Hello guys. So, basically as you've seen in thumbnail we are gonna discuss about the best or perfect timing for uploading YouTube short videos, so let's start. Before I start let me explain you the benefits which you will get by clicking this video. 1. More views by your subscribers. 2. 90% of getting video viral.
Oh my god! Wow!
3. Unbelievable response that you never received before. Trust me, I am not joking. Thus let's begin our video.
Nice.
First, let me explain you that timing is not everything you need. You need a great knowledge about how to make video titles attractive, a good description. Now, the question is how to make a good title. Don't worry, let me explain you. For good title you must have knowledge about the most searched keywords about that content. This process is also known by keyword research. If you don't know what is keyword research, don't worry, a different video is already posted in this channel about keyword research. You can watch that video after this. Now after title let's move towards second step, which is thumbnail. You must have an attractive thumbnail so that viewers click to your videos and you will have a great response in your videos. So, how to make a good thumbnail? There are some examples I will show you by which you can have a little knowledge about attractive thumbnails. Now after thumbnail let's move towards our last and most awaited step, which is timing for uploading YouTube shorts. So, if you want amazing timing for uploading YouTube videos you must understand your subscribers. If you can understand your subscribers then you can have 200% a good response by views and more subscribers. Thus for beginners who doesn't have a couple of subscribers, let me suggest you that you must follow first 2 steps about the title and thumbnail. After that try to upload your videos earlier in morning about 7 to 8 AM so that YouTube keeps suggesting your video about whole day and you shall have a great response. Hope you enjoyed video. This is all for today's video. If you haven't subscribed till now, what are you waiting for? Subscribe the channel now, my contents will keep entertaining you. Hope this video will help you to become a great YouTuber in future. Have a good day, bye bye.